Tower, it's over. I'm resigning.
What? Why?
I lost a speed race to Spirit.
It's fine. You lost to Spirit B2. That jet is top tier.
Tower. He lost to Yellow Spirit.
What? How?
Spirit said first one to fly backwards to Miami wins. And this genius actually tried it.
He said it was an advanced maneuver for elite pilots.
This idiot thought flying backwards was even possible.
If it wasn't possible, then why did Spirit say that?
Backwards meant going back to Miami because I came from there this morning.
You didn't say that before.
A kid knows planes can't fly backward. Who made you a pilot?
Spirit, that's not a real race.
I won fair and square. If he can't understand a simple code word, that's his fault.
It's okay, Tower. I feel so stupid.
You should. You got outsmarted by an airline that charges for napkins.